I'm going to show you how to deploy a wireless LAN system with NCE Campus. So now imagine I'm the IT admin in Helsinki region. The first thing I'm going to do is log in the system and create a new site. The site contains all the devices and configurations we are going to do for this WLAN system. So let's click OK and go to check the site. So I'm not going to add any devices right now because I don't know which I'm going to receive, but I can do the configuration start from now. So let's go inside the site and create a new SSID. The first SSID is a free guest network. And I want to make the guest network only works on the weekdays, not on the weekend. So the basic things for this guest network is ready. Next step, I'm going to do the authentication, and I want this to be open, but users must to read certain terms and conditions before they can access. So I will use this portal authentication and use this portal page I have already created. And I will put the DNS freeze rule for the users. Make sure they can access the portal page even before the authentication pass. And I choose the bypass policy, so in case maximum user reached, it will reject the extra users. This is a guest network, so I want to do the speed limit. I will put 10 megabits to make sure that every user have enough bandwidth to use the internet. So the first guest network is ready. So next one I'm going to do a SSID for employee, and it will be a .1x authentication based SSID. Still, it will work only on the work days. Keep other things in this page in the default value. And here, choose the secure network. And we use the building radius in the NCE campus. This is employee network, so I won't do any speed limit. It will go as fast as I can. So the pre-configuration is ready for now. And next step, I will wait my device arrived and going to add them in the NCE campus. So right now nearby I have a brand new devices in box. It's Air Engine 5761/21, and I will add this AP in this site we just created. Choose the model 5761/21 and put quantity 1. This is an AP, so we choose the row to the correct one. Now I scan the EISN, copy to the clipboard, now paste it here. I will make some description here, so make sure when I see this again I know where the AP actually are, and change the name to a specific type as we want. Let's call this AP shop at 00180/AP01. So basically what I just did is told the NCE campus that there's this AP going to find you. And now next step, I'm going to unbox the AP and power it on, plug in the Ethernet cable, and wait it to be registered on this NCE campus. After I wait for a couple minutes, the AP is ready, I think. I refresh the page and now you see the AP is registered at the moment. So we click inside, we can see the AP details from this page. Also in the same time, the NCE campus is pushing the configuration we just did to the AP. Yeah, we can now switch to my phone for some testing. So I open the Wi-Fi, I choose guest network, and soon after a couple seconds, it will pop up this page and ask me to read this agreement. And I agree it, click authentication. Now I connect to the internet. Okay, everything works. So next, let's go test the employee SSID, which is the radius authentication. I have created this test account in the radius, so it will pass the authentication in the building radius in NC campus. Okay, works as well. The configuration and deployment is really easy with NC campus, but also you can do device maintenance, for example, the upgrade of software packet and load patches. You can do it remotely as long as you have connection to NC campus and the AP is registered online. So at here I have uploaded this new patch for my AP here, and I go to maintenance, device upgrade, and I create an upgrade task for the AP. I choose immediately, so it means the device will immediately go upgrade, always specific anytime that we don't want to make service break. So next step, the NC campus is pushing the software to the AP. It will take a couple minutes, so let's wait and refresh the page after a while. Yep, so we can see the patch is loaded successfully, and if we click the AP, we can see the patch version is shown here as PH001, which is the one I just loaded. Another functions I'm going to do is the Campus Insight. Campus Insight basically is the analyze tool for your network. From here, you can see the health status, overall performance of your whole wired and wireless network. Based on the information reported by the device, Campus Insight will help you analyze what happened in the device and what may cause the issues in the current network. You will see a user-oriented analyze result based on the information Campus Insight received from the devices. For example, if we go to protocol trace and choose the user, which I just did, the authentication test, I had some problem when connecting to the Radius SSID. The first one is a successful one. Every packet transfer is alright, and all the negotiation between Radius and DHCP server is okay. The second one is a failure. If we look in details, that the failure point is the Radius reply and reject, and the DHCP is even not proceed. And the NC Campus Insight suggests you to check the account you use. And that is exactly what I did wrong because I input a wrong username and password. With the protocol trace tool, you can find all the steps happened in the authentication and try to find what is the failure point of the authentication. With Campus Insight, you can see the status and KPI of your network. For example, in wireless part, you can see the air interface, the interference, and possible the interference in the network by minute. And on the wired switch, you can see the performance on each interface and overall CPU or RAM utilization rate from here. So in this demo, we show you how to deploy a WLAN system in a short time and did all the configuration from the NC campus. NC campus is actually more powerful than this. It can do a large campus network management or a multi-branch interconnection network scenario. So please contact us if you want to have some more about NC campus. We're happy to hear from your requirement and make specific demo according to your needs. Thanks for listening, and we're really happy to be here at Elisa Day to show you the NC campus solution.